Because the greatest loss is not the money which is gone, the house which is gone, the car which is gone. The greatest loss is that when you both lose each other. So as someone said, some people value things, some people value human beings. Some people use things, actually use things to benefit human beings, and some people use human beings to get more things. So these are two ways to think. There are two approaches. So one will be that this person will value things and he will use human beings. I want this, if I don't get this, you are here, etc., etc. But they don't have a value for human being. Others, they use things to benefit human beings. They value human beings.